In this video, I will show you how to create a menu in Elementor. Need to add a navigation menu to your website? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a menu in WordPress and display it using Elementor. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Appearance and click Menus. If you don't already have a menu, enter a menu name and click Create Menu. Next, add the pages, posts, or custom links you want to include in your menu. Once you've added your items, drag and drop them to arrange the order. Click Save Menu when you're finished. Now, if you're using the free version of Elementor, you'll need a theme that already supports navigation menus in the header. To manage where your menu appears, go back to your WordPress dashboard, open Appearance, and then click Customize. Depending on your theme, look for options such as header, navigation, or menus. Select the menu you just created and assign it to the primary or header menu location. Then click Publish to save your changes. Once that's done, visit your website and refresh the page. You should now see your navigation menu displayed in the header area of your site. You can always return to the menu section later if you want to add more links or rearrange the menu items. That's it. You have successfully created a menu and displayed it on your website while using Elementor. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.